if you strategize it correctly. People follow you for your music. Use AI as your content intern. Let it generate your TikTok hooks, your newsletter draft, your captions, and your story overlays. And that headache, that burden of having to come up with this promotional material is off of your shoulders. It isn't replacing you. It's doing the 4 hours of admin work you hated so you can make another song. Look at the art department. You need 30 visual assets for one release. Album covers, single, variant, Spotify, Canvas, your poster, merch mockups. Paying a designer for all of those things, thousands of dollars easily, especially for quality work. With AI, you can become the creative director, as many styles as you want, in as many directions in under an hour. Your top three, pay a human designer $150 to polish the winner instead of $25,000 to start from scratch. AI can generate infinite amount of beats, infinite covers, infinite generic songs. What it can't generate is your story, your community, your live show, your stars, your hometown, or your struggle. For now, fans, they don't pay for a raw audio file. They pay for the identity and connection with the artist that they're supporting. Nobody ever has tattooed an algorithm or logo on. The threat isn't that AI will make better art than you. The threat is that 100,000 other independent artists will use AI to handle their business 10 times faster than you. The labels want you to fight AI because if you are fighting AI, you aren't fighting the 360 deal. You aren't fighting the 80-20 streaming split. You aren't fighting the clauses that own your likeness forever. And you're not learning more about the music industry to get paid the way you need to get paid. Stop fighting the tool that finally lets you operate like a major label without signing to one. Here's your playbook. Number one, every contract, brand deal, and sync license goes through AI first for redlining, then to a human lawyer. Number two, every release cycle, you batch 1 day of raw studio content. AI turns it into 30 days of multi-channel posts. Number three, every visual concept is pre-visualized with AI. Number four, you automate your administrative tasks, emails, split sheets, press releases, grant applications. You're not an AI artist. You are an artist with an executive AI team. This is how you stop losing money, regain your time, and start making art again. First off, AI is not an independent thinking entity programmed by somebody. AI is a capability constantly instructed to do what you instruct it to do. So you can have it make music for you. You can have it read contracts for you. You can have it do the things that you don't want to do so you can make time to do the things that you are waiting to do, that you need to do. Because if you spend all your time trying to make promotional content, trying to be your own lawyer, trying to be your own manager, trying to be your own publicist, you're not going to have as much time to create the music you have pent up inside of you when you sing or play your guitar or make a beat in the studio, or you get burnt out so easy on top of that. And you don't know why you're so tired at the end of the week because you've been doing 5, 6, 10 jobs. And AI is the solution to your problem because it puts you at the level of being able to operate like a major label because it can do anything a label can do. Then here's the number one thing you need to do, what you need to be able to do constantly in order to get AI to work for you, no matter how you're using it, because it's going to help you. You need to learn how to delegate. You need to talk to AI like a human. You make bots. So each bot that you create is a different personality. So you can have 5 employees, executive level employees, work for you without them actually being real because they'll respond how you instruct them to respond. So let's say that you have a lawyer bot, right? You have a social media bot. You can have like a Gary V bot, like Gary V, upload his resume. Or you can have AI go to his site. I want you to pull all the information you can from his site and his YouTube and all his speeches. It'll give you that 30, 40 year veteran marketer. So every time you go to your management bot or social media bot, you say, hey, here's a song I'm promoting this week. Be able to articulate your vision just like how you do to people. You need to be able to do that to AI so it can take that information and anything that it makes is in alignment with your brand. You're going to always get crazy and random outputs if you don't know what you're talking about. They have this saying in machine learning, garbage in, garbage out. Tell it some bullshit and you expect it not to give you bullshit. Talk to AI like it's a person. If you believe that an algorithm or AI is trying to replace you and that stresses you out as an artist, You're believing a lie that's not true, and you have to live with that. And AI is an extension of your ambitious work efforts if you let it. Because essentially, when do record labels have your best interests in mind, artists? You've never heard that. The only artists that you've seen say something about being successful and happy in the music industry are the artists that own their own label or intellectual property or just independent and do what they want. Why is it that you can name on one hand artists that are successful? And artists that are popular is not the same as artists that are successful. The artists in the next 5 years that will be successful will not have a label. They will be independent, and they'll have figured out how to be creative with AI in the same way that they put creativity in their music to become groundbreaking, potentially phenomenal, innovative, and interesting and unique. They'll translate all of that energy into the technical aspects of AI. This is you dictating your destiny with language strictly, because AI is a large language model. It just does what you tell it. Here's why you should never ever think about AI replacing you or being afraid that it's coming for your job or get mad when you hear about AI music. Here's AI music is predominantly making music off of a mediocre talent pool. AI music is consistently average, less of the time great, and more of the time just there. So if you're worried about AI trying to take anything from you, then you're just an average artist. AI is simply doing the creating of music that's already been in existence because it can only go off of the patterns that it's fed. Maybe it's you afraid of not being able to be better than what you made already as an artist. There are a lot more worries you have in the music industry that are far more important than some dumbass developer making an algorithm to steal from you. If you give me the internet and the right AI, the right social media platform, I can probably touch the world. The fear of failure at a certain point, so consistent and fear for so long in people's minds turns into a fear of success. Because I think the fear of failure becomes a comfort and the fear of success becomes an unknown. Humans don't like the unknown. They like a predictable set of behaviors and patterns, especially when it comes to their career. Would you rather be successful by taking a risk, or would you rather be comfortable in failure by doing nothing? Thing is, too, a lot of people have an irrational fear of AI because they don't really know how to explain what they don't like about it. They just have the idea that it's harmful to them, and they don't know that they can use it. You could turn on the TV, you might see 50. You could turn on the radio, you might hear 50. You could walk into a barbershop, they might be talking about 50 because he's known like that. He's ubiquitous. It's undeniable. That's not saying that this is what you're competing with. That's not saying that's a good thing. That's just saying he's established his presence where it needs to be known so that his fame is the leverage that keeps him successful. And he said it in the old interview book that gets you in the game. And it's what allows you to stay. So we need to make up for it in another way and cover ground fast because the market's too saturated. You need to interact on all the platforms people are on and stay there. And you don't get an option, artist, of not doing any of this stuff. Conduct yourself, facilitate your vision, and do the right things for it.